Hey guys, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my candy yams. So let's cook. So I have 3 sweet potatoes here, and you want to stir it out by peeling your sweet potatoes. And I normally cut the ends off as well. Now that that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and slice my sweet potatoes up into about 1/2 inch cuts like this. You don't want them too thick and you don't want them too thin. Now that I'm finished cutting up my pieces, I'm just going to take all my pieces and put them inside of a bowl. And I'm just going to set this bowl off to the side. So here I have a 1/2 cup of dark sugar and a 1/2 cup of white sugar. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and a 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. And I'm just going to mix that up together. Now you just want to add in just a couple of cranks of salt, and you want to mix that in as well. Now that I'm finished mixing this up, you want to bring your sweet potatoes back in, and you want to mix this up. And I just do this just to make sure that I'm getting all my sweet potatoes covered with that sugar mixture. Now that that's done, I'm just going to take this over to the stove so we can cook these sweet potatoes up. So here I have my pan on a low heat, and you want to go ahead and add your sweet potatoes in. And you don't have to worry about adding any extra water in your sweet potatoes, because sweet potatoes make their own water. Now you just want to pour that extra cinnamon and sugar on top. Next you're going to pour about 2 teaspoons of vanilla on top of your sweet potatoes. Now I'm just going to put a top on this and just let our potatoes slowly cook until that sugar and everything starts to break down and it becomes bubbly. Alright, now that our sweet potatoes have cooked until they're soft, you can see they're fork tender now. What you want to do is add in about 4 tablespoons of butter. And you're just going to let that melt down on top. And these are cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and plate these up so you guys can see what they look like. So here's our candy yams all plated up. And you can see that nice glaze from that brown sugar and cinnamon that melted down and gave it that nice candy coating like that, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and like, share, subscribe, put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!